Leading Case 42 Shayara Bano v. Union of India and others, 2017. 9. SCR 797, 2017. 9 SCC 1. Did you know that the Shayara Bano case was a landmark judgment that declared the practice of instant triple talaq unconstitutional in India, impacting the lives of millions of Muslim women? In this video, we're discussing the landmark judgment of Shayara Bano v. Union of India and others, 2017, also known as the triple talaq case. The Supreme Court's verdict on instant triple talaq has been a topic of debate in the country, with many hailing it as a victory for Muslim women's rights. The triple talaq bill has been a contentious issue, with the BJP government pushing for its passage in the Rajya Sabha. But what exactly does the judgment entail? And how does it impact the Muslim Personal Law Board's stance on the issue? We'll delve into the details of the case, exploring the implications of the judgment on Muslim law and the Uniform Civil Code debate in India. From the Shayara Bano case to the latest news on the triple talaq bill, we'll cover it all. So, stay tuned for a comprehensive analysis of this critical judgment and its far-reaching consequences. Hi, I am Advocate Dr. Saurabh Kapoor, bringing you a video on this fascinating topic like this. But before you start watching this video, I request you to kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to my YouTube channel. To view videos like this more, please leave a comment below, telling your thought and idea about this video and future videos you want. Introduction: Shayara Bano v. Union of India and others, 2017. 9 SCR 797, 2017. 9 SCC 1 is a landmark judgment by the Supreme Court of India that declared the practice of instant triple talaq, talaq-e-biddat, unconstitutional. This case is a significant milestone in the fight for women's rights and equality within the Muslim community in India. Facts: Shayara Bano, after being married for 15 years, was given a divorce by her husband through instant triple talaq, a practice where a Muslim man can divorce his wife by pronouncing talaq 3 times at once. Bano challenged the practice, arguing it violated her fundamental rights. Issues raised: 1. Whether the practice of instant triple talaq, talaq-e-biddat, is protected by the right to religion under Article 25 of the Indian Constitution. Whether instant triple talaq is a fundamental and integral part of Islam. The constitutional validity of instant triple talaq contention of the parties. Petitioner, Shayara Bano, argued that triple talaq is unconstitutional, discriminatory, and against the principles of gender equality, human rights, and secularism. Respondents: Union of India, various Muslim organizations. While the Union of India supported Bano's stance, several Muslim organizations contended that triple talaq was a part of Muslim personal law, protected under the right to religion. Critical analysis of the case. The case analyzed the practice of triple talaq not just from a religious perspective but through the lens of constitutional law, examining whether personal laws can trump fundamental rights. It delved into the aspects of religious freedom versus the right to equality. Other judgments discussed in the case and their ratio with citation: Shamim Ara v. State of UP, Enter 2002 7 SCC 518, discussed the legal aspects of talaq in Islam, pointing out that a valid talaq must be reasonable and must be preceded by attempts at reconciliation. Muhammad Khan, Shah Bano Begum, 1985 2 SCC 556. This landmark decision recognized the right of Muslim women to alimony, a case that also discussed the intersection of personal laws and fundamental rights. Opinion of judges. The majority of the judges held that instant triple talaq is arbitrary and un-Islamic and is not an essential practice in Islam. They emphasized that any practice that is arbitrary and does not serve a religious purpose sanctioned by scriptures cannot be considered an integral part of the religion direction. The court directed the government to formulate legislation governing marriage and divorce in the Muslim community, to replace the unconstitutional practices and ensure the protection of women's rights. Finding of the court. The court found that instant triple talaq was unconstitutional as it violated the fundamental rights of Muslim women to equality before the law and protection from discrimination on the grounds of religion and sex. Final judgment. The Supreme Court, by a majority of 3-2, set aside the practice of instant triple talaq, declaring it unconstitutional and unenforceable. Conclusion: Shayara Bano Union of India and others stands as a transformative judgment for gender equality within the Muslim community, highlighting the Supreme Court's role in balancing religious practices with fundamental rights. It marked a significant step towards aligning religious laws with the constitutional principles of equality and justice. Another note: